The roll and cut flexible magnetic tape dispenser refill is perfect for making lightweight projects magnetic. In order to get the most out of this magnetic tape, please follow these guidelines. The strong indoor craft adhesive is permanent and holds well. Easily cut a strip to the desired length of 1/2 inch wide magnetic tape with a scissors or a utility knife. With the white peel-off liner, cut multiple pieces without worry. The adhesive won't be exposed until you are ready to use it. Peel and stick the magnet to the back of your project, then press firmly. For best results, let the adhesive cure for 24 hours before hanging. As with all flexible magnets, increase the strength by adding more magnet surface area. Perfect for do-it-yourselfers, crafters, hobbyists, or teachers, flexible magnet is a much safer magnet to use around the home, office, workshop, or classroom. This magnetic tape turns lightweight items into magnets. It is most effective when the magnetic side is applied directly to a ferrous metal surface. A thin piece of paper or other material placed between the magnet and the attracting surface can reduce the effectiveness of the magnetic bond.